That new car smells like a trap. People finance car they can't afford just to look good. The moment you drive that car off the lot, it loses 10 to 15% of its value. In a year, you're down 20%. And in 5 years, you have lost more than half of your money in depreciation. Yep, 50%. Now, I'm not asking you to walk everywhere, but if you just buy a 3-year-old reliable used car instead and invest the $15,000 to $20,000 of the difference, that money could turn into more than $100,000 over the next couple decades.